Understanding in Accord, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or writings, in accord. This is a phrase that can enrich your vocabulary and help you express agreement or harmony in a sophisticated way. So, stay tuned as we explore its meanings, uses, and some examples to help you understand how to use it effectively. In accord is a phrase made up of two main parts. In, which is a preposition, and accord, which is a noun meaning agreement or harmony. When put together, the phrase essentially means in agreement or in harmony. It can be used to describe a situation where people or things are working together smoothly, or when one's actions or beliefs are aligned with someone else's. Using in accord in a sentence isn't difficult, but it does tend to have a more formal tone. Here are a few examples to give you a better idea. The two companies are working in accord to develop a new product. Her actions were in accord with the company's values. The team members were in accord, which led to the successful completion of the project. Notice in these examples that in accord is used to express a state of agreement or harmony, whether it's between companies, actions and values, or team members. One common mistake learners might make is confusing in accord with according. While they are related, they are used differently in sentences. According is often used in the phrase according to, which is used to say that something is in agreement with what has been said or written by someone else. For example, according to the instructions, we need to assemble it this way. It's important to not mix up these two phrases, as they serve different purposes in a sentence. Now, let's practice using in accord in sentences. Try to create your own sentences using this phrase, and share them in the comments below. I'll be there to give feedback and help you out. That's it for today's lesson on in accord. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about how to use this phrase and that you feel more confident in incorporating it into your own English speaking and writing. Remember, practicing these phrases in sentences will help reinforce your understanding and improve your English skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.